Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing NewJeans Hyein as a Powerpuff Girl. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines. I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head with a large oval. Now let's move inside and draw the hair. In the middle near the top here, let's draw two angles coming down. Then let's bring it out from both sides. Then up. Another curve down and out. And then one more curve outwards to close off the hair. Now on the right side, let's add the piece of hair coming down. Underneath the right side here, let's draw two curves down coming to a point. Now let's erase the line at the top. And also the overlapping line at the bottom. Next, at the end, let's add a butterfly. Let's draw two curves up. And then two smaller ones underneath. And again, let's erase the overlapping line inside. Next, let's move inside and draw the eyes. Let's start with a curve on the left here. And then continue it up on top, inside the hair. And now let's do the same thing on the right. And let's continue it on the other side of the hair. And also continue that line on top behind the bangs. Next, let's move in the center and let's draw a large circle towards the inside. And the same thing on the right. And now let's add another circle inside. And then let's color the outer ring in black. And lastly, inside each eye, let's add a curve on the outside here. And for the right eye, let's make sure it goes behind the piece of hair. And that's it for the eyes. Next, let's move in and draw the mouth. Let's start in between the eyes and let's draw a curve across. And then another curve underneath to close it off. Now let's hop up to the top of the head and let's draw the pieces of hair. Let's draw two curves up and out from the top of the head here. And then curve it back in to the center. Now let's hop down and draw the body. From under the head, let's draw two lines down. And then connect them with a line across at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside, and towards the top, let's draw 2 lines across. Now let's color the stripe in black. Now let's hop to the sides and draw the arms. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve down and bring it back up. And let's do the same thing on the right. Next, underneath, let's add the legs. Underneath in the center, let's draw a line down. And the same thing on the left and on the right. And then let's close off the bottom of each foot with a curve. Next, let's move inside and draw the shoes with a curve across. And then a line across the top. And then let's color the shoes in black. And that's it for her body. Lastly, let's add her ponytail. Let's start on the top left of the head and let's draw a small curve up. Next, let's add the butterfly. Let's draw 2 small bumps. And then 2 larger ones on top. Now from the top of the butterfly, let's continue that hairline out, down, curve it in, and out at the end. And then let's curve it back up into the arm. And that's it for Powerpuff Girl Hye-in. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!